Hello, everyone. This is EMD Connie Osorio, and welcome to our new IMG members orientation, famously known as NEMO, credited to one of the best coaches here in IMG, Coach Malvin Leaño, our SEBC. So again, we would like to welcome everybody, every new members, as well as old members who would like to be updated on other changes or other updates here in IMG. So welcome to TRM or Truly Rich Makers family, all the new members, and welcome to Nemo. So dito, before we welcome you or while we welcome you, we would like you to realize why you join IMG or why do you love IMG. Let me start by saying my own why. My big why in IMG is I joined and I love the company and the community once I met it for the very first time. So parang na first love ko na kagad si IMG until now. We joined or I joined personally because I can see that this is the cure for poverty. So nakita ko na hindi lang ako at ang pamilya ko ang matutulungan ng IMG maging financially free, kundi yung mga sunod na generation. At the same time, lahat ng taong po pwedeng masharean ko at matulungan through the help of IMG community. Okay? So sana po maisip din natin why you join IMG. Kung hindi pa natin naiisip, you can go or ask your coach or your sponsor to figure it out for you. Meaning, kailangan talaga po magsimula ang lahat sa big why natin. Even if you do not do the business, even if it's just for your family and for the future of your kids, you have to ask yourself why you joined the company that helps other people. Okay. So the objective for this NEMO or this webinar is to coach all new members. Again, hindi lang po new members, kundi yung mga nagbabalik na members if they want to be updated on the portal and other system or other I mean what's new in IMG. So that's the first objective. And then next is to ask yourself, di ba lagi naman natin iniisip, after I joined IMG, anong sunod? So what's next after they joined IMG? And then part of the system. Okay, let's see. Let's start this. So, ano yung mga items na i-discuss dito sa webinar natin? Ano ang IMG? What is IMG? The IMG members page, this is our portal. Makikita nyo ang dashboard and other areas and parts of it. And then how to join Zoom webinars. Of course, we're in the new normal already. So makikita natin how IMG is ready for this pure online production and reaching out to people. Again, through Zoom webinars and then the TRM centralized schedules. Pakita ko lang po yung ating production when it comes to our CEO team, Pablo. So this is coming from our CEO updated last June and then July 18. So makikita natin when the pandemic started, this COVID-19 crisis last March, still nagkaroon pa rin tayo ng production and still growing up to now, up to this moment. So 100% online system, still the company and the team is producing this much. We are IMG. So ano ba talaga? Pag sinabi nating IMG, again, it stands for International Marketing Group, our company, and we are the biggest and fastest growing financial services marketing company, not just in the Philippines, kundi worldwide. For TRM alone, we have 45 countries na meron na tayong members. So most of them coming from Hong Kong, Taiwan, Macau, Singapore, Middle East, Europe, and going worldwide. We even have US and the rest of Asia. Napakadami na po natin. Again, 45 countries with respect to our team, the Truly Rich Makers family. And then, please don't forget to go to our website, www.img-corp.com. And then also, please like our official Facebook page. Okay, tignan po natin yung link. So madami pong uh, Facebook pages when it comes to IMG, but this is the actual link for our official Facebook page. Okay. Next is you may see or watch our um, founders, Sir Joan de las Peñas, Sir Bart Borja, Sir Noel Arendilla, every Saturday, 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. with Brother Bo Sanchez at DCMM Teleradyo Kape at Salita. Okay, madami po tayong matututunan and we will be very proud to see them educate more Filipinos online through social media, through TV. All right? And then, this is our structure. As a member, pwede niyong tanungin saan ba ako talaga nakapwesto when it comes to IMG. So, the very big company IMG, we already have for an update, we already have more than 2 million members worldwide. Again, it is founded and run by this amazing big threes of IMG, Sir Joan de las Peñas, the president, Sir Bart Borja, and Sir Noel Arandilla. And then we are under the umbrella of the TRM or True to Rich Makers team. That is 41,000 plus members worldwide. And then with our coach Malvin Leaño and his team, we are under his umbrella or the team of Leaño as CEO. And then CEO Team Pablo, we have the couple Jill and Arnel Pablo, our one of the best coaches din po dito sa IMG. So under po ni sila Sir Malvin, sila Sir Nel and Ma'am Jill, saan ka nakapwesto bilang new member? So bilang CEO natin si Ma'am Jill and Sir Nel Pablo, you have to have your own sponsor. You as a new member should have your sponsor, and then you should have your senior marketing director. So, ganyan po yung pwesto natin kapag tayo ay new member dito sa IMG. Alright? So, what we offer, ano ba talaga ang ino-offer ni IMG? First is financial literacy and education that is free to all. That is why we have webinars simultaneously online and offline. Ginagawa po natin yan. Welcome po sa lahat. And then number 2, we offer access, discounts, and financial solution. And then number 3, entrepreneurship and rewards. So ayan, discuss po natin yan. Now, why IMG? Okay? Ito po yun. Tayo yun. So you become a member. Okay? And here, IMG member, sorry. Ito po yung structure talaga natin. So ang ibig sabihin, traditionally, meron talagang middleman tayo. Kung tayo ay isang traditional member ng isang traditional company. So bago natin ma-avail itong mga services and products na ito, we still need an agent. But here in IMG, as an IMG member, ayan, wala na po yung middleman. We go directly, we have a direct access to these different products and services. We bypass the middleman. That's why na-avail natin ng mura at may discount ang mga following products na ito. Itong mga financial services and products na nandito sa umbrella ng ating international marketing group. Okay? So ito yung mga access to our major providers, napakadaming products at napakadaming partners ng IMG when it comes to your financial needs. So ayan tayo as a member. So meron na tayong 36 benefits ngayon to update everybody. So we have top IMG membership benefits. Actually, 36 na nga po siya, including our partnership with Palawan. But if you will sum it up, we already have everything we need when it comes to our financial needs sa ating family. Okay? So, kailangan din natin makita or i-welcome ang ating sarili at ang ating mga new members sa ating official IMG Facebook page. Okay? So, makikita nyo po ngayon 30M by 30 kasi nag-upgrade na tayo ng ating goal. We already have a target of 30 million financially educated families by the year 2030. That is why lagi niyong makikita yung 30M by 30. So pag tinanong po tayo and if you wanted to share that to other people, tell them that that is our mission. By the year 2030, we would like to financially educate 30 million families. So kasama na po kayo doon. And we would like to congratulate everybody watching this if you are already an IMG member kasi included na kayo sa mission natin. All right? So don't forget also, if you're a new member, you already have a user ID. Your user ID is your member code. Yung may PH sa dulo po if you are a Philippine coded member. Okay, that will be your user ID, and via email, makaka-receive din kayo ng password. You just need to log in at www.img-corp.net. So that is our members page. Okay? Kung hindi nyo po makita sa email, you can always check your spam mail. If still wala kayong na-receive, you can always contact your sponsor or your SMD for them to be able to assist you. Okay? So ayan, kailangan may user ID and password. Alright, so kapag nakapasok na kayo sa portal natin, you will be welcome to this IMG members page. Okay, that is my personal page. At dito po, wag kakalimutan that every year there is an annual IMG accreditation renewal fee of 1,500. So napakaliit lang naman po nun. Ano po? So bilang nagbe-business or if you really wanted to continuously enjoy the preferred benefits that we have in IMG, all you need to do is by the end of December or before December ends, you need to pay 1,500 pesos only. All right? And then, dito sa ating portal, sa ating members page, you will be welcomed by a dashboard. So sa baba po nung nakita nating banner kanina, meron tayong dashboard. At dito natin nakikita lahat ng ating mga benefits, investments, and other products that we availed in IMG. So simulan natin. Meron din tayong my tools. Okay, sa baba ng dashboard, meron tayong tools. And then if you wanted to become a member of, or if you wish someone to join in IMG, so online na rin tayo, there's an e-join para mapamember natin ang isang prospect or recruit or family member. And then if they want to invest in Kaiser and our most 18, all you need to do is to go to eApp, and then that's an automated application form for this two beautiful investments. So again, e-join for joining in IMG, and then if you wanted to start Kaiser or most 18, e-app naman. Alright, so below our tools, meron naman tayong newsletter. So lahat ng nare-receive natin via email can also be found here in the newsletter links. Okay, and then sa right side niya, makikita natin yung banner natin, 30M by 30 Financial Literacy Campaign, 1,800. Right now, we already have more than 2 million. Okay? And then, para po tayo makpabilang sa counter natin na ito, all you need to do is to click here to open for, I'm sorry, click natin yun, yung, let's go there, go back there. Okay? Click natin to open the top 50 CEO and counter para makita natin per CEO yung mga counts. Okay? Pero kasama na dapat tayo doon, and at the same time, yung ating mga mapapa-member or masasharean. Okay? So may link na makikita tayo doon. And then, let me give you the menu doon sa ating itaas ng ating portal. Makikita nyo po doon sa bukod sa home, yung kanina natin diniscuss is the home page. And then ngayon po, updates. So under updates, we have events, what's new, and training schedules. Okay. Ayan. Under reports, we have my team, production report, and commission statement. So if you wanted to push with the business of IMG, napakaganda po ng business ni IMG. Dito nyo rin makikita sino-sino yung nag-join, sino yung may investment na, and at the same time your commission. Yan, madaming mga laging bumibisita dyan sa reports, okay? Resources includes your membership kit, partners kit, webinars, presentation materials, downloadable forms, and the providers. And then, ayan yung laman ng resources natin. Okay? Sa resources, Ayan, may members kit. So, para makita nyo na meron tayong e-workbook, e-book for our SSBYF or the Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. You can also download the IMG Top Membership Benefits List and your membership benefit checklist. Okay? So, pwede nyo pong i-open din yung ating members kit app. Alright. Yan po yung laman niya. And then for the Partners Kit app, yan, meron din tayong mga materials. We have the Building a New Industry material. We also have the book system monitoring form, the Giant CEO, and also our Kaiser book. So, nandyan po yung mga computation. So, makikita nyo dito, meron ding video to show the actual materials. You can also open that in our Partners Kit app. Okay. So we also have the webinars. This is very important. If you wanted to push with educating yourself free, di ba? Meron tayong free financial education. Andiyan na yung mga e-workshops. Libre na yan when you join IMG. Also, the wealth creation system if you want to push with the business. So, napaka-timely ng lahat ng nakalagay sa portal natin kasi lahat sila online, lahat sila electronic na. Okay? All you need to do is to register. So, kapag ka sa e-workshops, if it's non-member, who will join the workshop, laging may fee na 100 pesos. Pero sa atin, as a member, free na po siya. Lahat ng workshops 1 to 5. And kailangan nyo po siyang tapusin kasi napakaganda talaga ng mga learnings sa ating mga workshops dito sa IMG. All you need to do is to click the Get Started button. And then, ano ba yung kasama dyan sa workshops? Ayan, makikita nyo when you go to the e-workshops, makikita nyo yung workshops 1 to 5 link. Okay? So, ang ganda po ng mga title. Sa title pa lang, ang dami na nating matututunan na or ideas na napaka-essential para po makamit talaga natin yung financial freedom. So workshop number 1, increase cash flow debt management. Workshop number 2 is building a strong financial foundation and proper protection. Workshop number 3 is building wealth asset accumulation. Number 4 is retirement planning, wealth preservation, and 5, building a business in the financial industry. So, andyan na yung webinar natin, yung activity workbook mo, of course, certificate for each workshop, and completion pa rin. Alright? So, again, that's our number 1 top benefit, okay, which is financial education. Next. Okay. Alright. Next is our wealth creation system. Katulad ng workshop natin, meron din tayong list. May mga steps din tayo from webinar to quiz to the certificate. So, i-push natin yung sarili natin to do this, lalo na pagka nasa bahay ka at gusto mo talagang matuto at gusto mong makatulong sa iba. Of course, katulad ng isang restaurant, katulad ng isang business, kailangan may inventory tayo. At para magkaroon ng laman yung ating business, all we need to do is to educate ourselves. And these are the 5 steps to do that. Okay? Ayan. So, ayan po yung rewards natin to own a business. So, hindi lang basta own a business. Ano po, kailangan matuto tayo at magkaroon tayo ng self-inventory to equip us on this IMG business. So, ano pa yung mga nasa resources? Of course, presentation material. Nandito yung mga slides natin. All you need to do is to download. Okay? And also the downloadable forms, lahat na ng kailangan nating forms, nandito na rin, da-download na lang natin. Okay? So, ayan. Pati yung mga promotion forms. If you want to get promoted, fill up the promotion form and then submit that to our admin. Alright? And then, ayan, mga providers natin. Para mas matuto pa tayo, makita natin yung video and other discussions about Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation and Kaiser International. Alright. So, balik tayo kay dashboard. This is our one-pager what do you call the screen, sorry, na makikita natin lahat ng mga products natin at the same time yung mga benefits natin. Simulan natin dito sa napakagandang IMG Soldibo Funds. Okay? So dito, makikita natin yung number of shares ng nabili ng ating initial 1,000 pesos. Okay? All you need to do is to go to view portfolio para makita nyo yung details niya. So, sa simula makikita nyo for booking pa siya, wala pa tayong number of shares. Ang kailangan lang natin is maghintay tayo, let's say 1 week. Okay? I think 1 week naman or 2 weeks ang pinaka the most niya. Okay, makikita natin yung number of shares after that. And then if you wanted to add, ayan, may add subscription button. Kailangan lang, ayan, amount. Makikita rin natin. Tapos yun, how many shares? Ayan, sinasabi na nga natin, 5, waiting for 5 to 7 working days. Okay, so ayan, how to add investment naman in IMG Soldibo Funds. Okay, you have to click the add subscription. Okay, ayan, yung iba, talagang mas mabilis daw kapag Palawan. Ako, online banking talaga yung sa akin. But still, most of our IMG members, kailangan talaga, ay pumupunta talaga sila sa Palawan. No? No need to kiosk kasi siya. Madami talaga siyang, what do you call this, advantage. And these are the steps to pay via Palawan Express padala. So, all you need to do is follow the instructions. Ang pinakamahalaga po niyan is dapat nandun kayo sa part na nag-release ang ating portal ng ganitong form para gagayahin nyo na lang. Iduduplicate nyo na lang siya. Just copy it para wala tayong pagkakamali and then go to Palawan Express and then pay. Alright. So, 1K charge is 10 pesos lang. Okay. Ayan. So, ayan. Nagkakaroon tayo ng mga approved payment verification via email when it comes to Palawan Express as well as online banking. Okay? Para po makita natin or talagang gusto nyong malaman kung paano yung step-by-step payment process via Palawan, please go to the YouTube channel of our CEO, Jill Pablo. So, ayan po yung ating napakagandang CEO. And then, you will be educated kung paano talaga magbayad via Palawan. Alright, let's go to the next one. Okay, Fidelity Life. Yan. Pag Fidelity Life, alam naman natin na 50,000 free insurance yan. Just add 500 pesos to your membership fee of 5,500. So, i-view lang natin yung policy kung meron man kayong subscription dito sa ating Fidelity Life. So again, add one-time fee of 500 pesos to have 50,000 life insurance from Fidelity Life. Question number 1, member na ako ng IMG and pay 5,500. Ox lang ba na hindi ako kumuha ng Fidelity Life kasi may insurance na ako from Kaiser 3-in-1, Most 18 at sa iba pang insurance company? The answer is yes, pwede. Number 2, what age ang pwedeng kumuha ng Fidelity Life na may 50,000 insurance? Dapat po from 18 to 60 years old. So, wag na nating i-encourage po yung ibang mga 61 pataas na members natin na kumuha kasi hindi na talaga sila po pwede. And then, kapag 60 years old na at nag-avail ng Fidelity Life Insurance, mawawala ba siya yung 50K kapag nag-61 na ako? Sabi po dyan, kapag 60 years old ka, nag-member sa IMG at kumuha ng Fidelity Life, hanggang 65, pwede kang magkaroon ng insurance. Okay? And then, question number 4, ilang years ang contestability period ng Fidelity Life? Standard pa rin po, 2 years. Alright. So, kanina nakita nyo yung ating certificate for Fidelity Life. Ang sunod naman natin na laman ng dashboard is Everest Memorial Services. At kapag gagamitin nyo siya, just present the IMG ID. Ayan po, yung laman ng ating IMG ID. At utusan ang kung sino man kapag nagdaituso ng isang IMG member. And in our experience, pwede rin po natin itong pantulong sa iba. You're an IMG member and then there is a family member or friend or kakilala, kapitbahay who die too soon and then gusto nating magamit itong Everest Memorial Services natin. Again, discount po ito sa mga memorial service. Pwede nyo pong gamitin yung inyong membership. Okay, question, sino po ang pwedeng mag-avail? Ayan, all active members and immediate family members. Although, yun nga po, sabi ko, pwede nga rin po siyang gamitin for other people. Basta, gagamitin nyo yung inyong IMG membership. Okay? And then, Manila Bankers Personal Accident Insurance, this is free. For those new members, meron kayong 100,000 policy fee. Okay. In our case po, pagka tumataas na yung inyong position sa IMG, in my case, we have 200,000 free accident insurance. Question number 1, kapag nag-member ba sa IMG, automatic na bang may 100 personal accident na? Yes, as long as hindi ka pa age 61. Okay? Hanggang anong age ang covered ng 100,000 personal accident insurance? Again, standard, 18 to 60 years old. Okay, next in the dashboard is our Manila Bankers Life Insurance. Kapag nag-avail ka ng Most 18, meron na tayong OPMS, our online policy management system. So may panibagong portal po dyan. Again, ano ba pag sinabing Most 18? This is our multiple option super term 18, the cheap insurance of IMG via Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation. Pero meron siyang malaking coverage kahit siya mura. And then meron siyang investment component. We call it the Premium Deposit Fund or PDF. Ayan, na pwedeng pang retirement, pwedeng pension, education, travels, or savings. Question number 1, sino ang pwedeng mag-avail ng Most 18? Lahat ng IMG member at pwede rin hindi IMG member. So pwede nyo siyang ibenta or i-promote sa ibang mga hindi IMG members. At sino pwede mag-explain sa akin ng Most 18? Ang mga licensed IMG MB Life agent. Katulad ko po, I am as a licensed MB Life agent. Okay? And madami pa po dito sa IMG. Alright. Next is, di ba? Ang dami talagang laman ng dashboard. We have Vision Care. Alright. If you want to avail free IMG and Kaiser frame, all you need to do is to print this out, your Vision Care voucher. Nandiyan na po lahat ng description natin about this Vision Care. Okay? Now, ang question, saan pwedeng mag-avail ng benefit na ito? Sa mga accredited De Los Reyes Opticals po nationwide. Also in Kaiser Medical Center in Makati, katulad po ng na-avail namin personally, and then of course sa SM North EDSA. Alright. Isa pa, ayan, kapag gusto mo naman ng unlimited consultation, ida-download at ipiprint mo yung e-health card mo katulad nito. Ayan. May terms and condition, do not forget to read that. Pero ang unang question dyan, saan pwedeng mag-avail nitong benefit na to? Of course, sa mga accredited Kaiser Medical Centers lang. Okay, ito po yung mga listahan. Or, ang mga nationwide Kaiser Medical Centers natin. Okay. And then may good news po dyan na meron tayong mga additional pa na darating na 10 Kaiser Medical Centers this year. We're hoping for Batangas province. Okay? And then we also have the next one, our powerful Dominate tool. So pwede nyo siyang i-open. May mga courses din po na ino-offer ang ating Dominate tool. Just like now, meron tayong special course to study our Dominate tool. Sa Dominate, lahat tayo entitled to log in with our username, which is our member code, and the password the same. Mapupunta or mapo-forward po tayo dito sa napakaganda at napaka-useful na Dominate page natin. You can visit your affiliate links. You can use these links for you to promote IMG. All you need to do, if you wanted to post this into your Facebook page, don't forget the link. Ano po? So if you wanted this offer page, makikita nila yung benefits and the rest. So meron din pong tutorial dyan sa loob ng ating Dominate tool. Yung mga videos na nandyan. So kailangan po natin siyang aralin. And at the same time, if you still want to avail courses with our Dominate tool, meron po tayong mga bagong courses right now. Okay, ayan po, i-play natin yung video. And you can start building a funnel. Okay, question. Gusto kong pag-aralan ng IMG Dominate tool. Answer, magkakaroon po tayo ng separate training. Yun nga po yung sinasabi natin na may mga courses po talaga. And at the same time, meron namang siyang tutorial. And don't forget to ask your coaches. At the same time, may mga YouTube channels din po, yung mga coaches natin, teaching us how to do the Dominate tool in IMG. Okay. And meron din tayong Kaiser product. So if you avail your 3-in-1 Kaiser, and then you want to view the OPMS, our online portal management, what do you call this? Online policy management system. So all you need to do is to click that view OPMS and then log in. Ayan. Don't forget po pag sinabi natin Kaiser long term, this is our 3-in-1, the life insurance, healthcare, and investment rolled into one product of IMG. Okay? So, para naman po sa mga gustong i-share ang IMG, meron tayong Centralized Membership Orientation and Financial Coaching. We call it MOFC. So, kailangan po alam din natin yung term na yon. MOFC stands for Membership Orientation and Financial Coaching. This is our centralized webinar schedule for the entire Truly Rich Makers team. So open po ito sa lahat ng non-IMG members. Ganon din po sa mga members na if you wanted to refresh and you wanted to, learn it again, wala pong problema na ulit-ulitin natin yan. Of course, sa mga guests natin, you can invite your relatives and friends all over the world. Kung nasaan man sila, wala tayong reason not to attend kasi online na po siya. And we have various schedules. So, tingnan lang po natin yan. And this is the password and the meeting ID. Alright? So, ayan. Don't forget also to log in or sign up here in our 30M by 30 Financial Literacy Campaign para mapabilang tayo sa magandang mission ni IMG. Alright? Ayan. Kailangan pong i-fill up and then just tick this checkbox that you understand that you are participating in this campaign and then click the submit button. So right now, ito na po ang ating bilang. 2 million na tayo mahigit. So again, we're the talk of the town kasi talagang nagugulat sila at na-amaze sila sa mga benefits ni IMG. Hindi lang po yun, kundi yung community ni IMG is really the community that helps people. So, while helping people, if you do the business also, there's a separate training for that. Although, gusto kong sabihin po, when you help people dito lang po sa IMG, kumikita ka. Tumutulong ka na sa tao, kumikita ka pa. So, ayan na yung ating bilang ngayon. Alright? And then we also have weekly schedules for our TRM. So to know our weekly schedule, meron po tayong mga updates sa ating IMC team, Ramos Osorio or Abud community. We also have Felizarta Pablo, our CEO group page. And mas maganda rin po, TRM members group page dito sa Facebook. So ask your CEO or your sponsors and SMDs kung paano po makapunta sa mga group pages na ito. Let them add you there in the pages. Alright? And also here, i-discuss din natin itong wealth creation system, the 6th dimension. So, paano ba ito? Pagka gusto kong mag-share dito sa IMG, pag nakita nyo po itong 6th dimension na to, still, it follows the same steps 1 to 6. Okay? Pero yung dimension, yung palalim na hugot or meaning why you are doing the business. So for me, I'm looking at the first step that you already have a prospect list. Okay? So you believe in the business, you share it, pero kailangan may listahan ka or may inventory ka. Sino ba yung sharean mo? So we call it the prospect list or the share list. We also call it the guest list. So sino-sino yung po pwede mong ilagay dyan sa list natin yan. If you look at the 4th dimension, uunahin mo talaga yung natural market mo. At sino yon? Your families and friends. Why are you including them in the list? Because you love this set of people. Okay? So that's the first approach for you to be able to share IMG. Second is, of course, approach. All right? Ano naman ang gagamitin mong approach for that? You can have a book share or invite them in our membership orientation. You can also send them emails to events, okay? And or contact them and show the benefits. Why are you doing this? This is always the why. Because you care for them and you wanted to deliver or give them hope. Okay? Again, step number 3, sabi ko nga, approach, present. So, kanina, book share. This one, book study. So, you will learn with them together. And then again, pwede nyo ring i-invite nga sila sa membership orientation or MOFC natin or other events, show the benefits and give them hope. Then step number 4, of course, not all of them will be readily joining you. So you follow them up, you close the deal or close the membership or assist them to really start with IMG and Kaiser and then encourage them to be a partner so that they will join and they will own their own investment because you wanted to help them. Number 5, okay, nandun ka pa rin to assist them how to start, to educate them with the system, let them run the system, make them feel it is simple, and then encourage them to follow. And that is guiding them on how to really do IMG system. And lastly, be a duplicate. Okay, ask them or inspire them to duplicate you. So dapat po naduduplicate tayo kung anong ginagawa natin dito kay IMG. You also educate people, okay? Ask them or guide them to educate other people so that they can build themselves and other people. In that way, they will earn, okay? And then they will create their wealth. And this way, you are giving them life. Okay? So, ayan po yung sinasabi natin dito sa IMG. If you will look at the 6th dimension, yan na po yung pinakamalalim nating meaning. Why are we doing all of this 1st and 5th dimension? Okay? And then, you can also ask your SMD or your sponsor for this list. Meron tayong tinatawag na 30-day fast start. Kailangan na natatrack nyo rin or namomonitor nyo yung sarili nyo. Okay, meron tayong updated na 30-day fast start form. Nandito po rin yun. Okay, so meron din tayong follow-up. Ayan. Pagka meron na tayong mga share list, we call it also love list or prospect list. Ayan. Kailangan mailagay natin yung kanilang pangalan, sinong nag-invite, tapos email or number nila. Tapos let's also monitor them kung nagagawa ba nila itong mga filters na to, like nag-zoom ba sila, do they do the checklist, the Q&A, the review benefits, and the rest. Okay? And then ayan po, if you want to build it big in IMG, you also you need to follow the 8 filter test, and then this is the way to build a factory of people and duplication. So ayan na po yung sinasabi nating duplication. All you need to do is to process them by attending in the events and the Zoom, MO, and then all the filter tests that we have doon sa 8 natin. And then let them finish the workshop. Okay, so from small events to big events like this. And that's the way we build people and duplicate. Okay, so ayan ang ating 30-day fast start checklist. Okay, so i-shade nyo lang po kung ano yung mga na-accomplish nyo sa 30 days nyo from the moment nag-join ka sa IMG. So, did you open the portal? Ilang beses mo ba yan na-open? Nakapunta ka na ba sa IMG Facebook page? Katulad po ng inaisa-isa natin. Okay, sa TRM Facebook page, nag-leaders call ka ba? Did you attend the fast start? Did you finish the workshop? Nasaan ka na ba? 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5? Or did you repeat that? And then wealth creation system and dominate tools. And then yung Kaiser mo, of course, you have to track it. May most 18 ka ba? Did you also start with mutual funds? All right. Okay, so that's it. Meron na tayong 30-day fast start checklist. So again, that is our new IMG membership orientation, our NEMO. If you have questions, you may comment, you may ask your sponsors and your SMDs and coaches. We would like to welcome everybody to International Marketing Group, our TRM Truly Rich Makers family.